Let's make our simple smoothie, that is our mangoes, cucumber and some passion fruit. So I'll go ahead and chop these fruits and the vegetable and come back in a moment. So I'll go in first with the mangoes. Those are my chopped mangoes. And because the mangoes have some juice, you'll not have to add a lot of liquid. So I'm going in with the passion fruit. That is my passion fruit. I love the smell and the taste. It will enhance the taste of our smoothie or the juice. Then after that, our last ingredient will be the cucumbers. This mainly is a cucumber smoothie because that is what we have. Remember, you can make a juice out of the ingredients that you have in the kitchen. So this day I had some lots and lots of cucumbers and said, why not? Why not make some smoothie, some juice for the kids because they don't like the cucumbers whole. This is a great way to make them eat the cucumbers. So we are going to go ahead and blend until everything is smooth. Smooth that when you drink, you don't feel the fruits or the vegetable in your mouth. But if you like it with some roughness, you can blend halfway, then drink. So this is something you can prepare even for the kids after they come back from school, or for your baby. They can take it, they can enjoy it. It's nutritious, it's healthy, and you just need the ingredients that already are in your kitchen. So enjoy. Until the next one, bye. Make sure you please check the channel because I have another very special smoothie over there. Thank you for your time. Bye.